Hello everybody, today we're doing a fire alarm test. Today I had to push and pull down. It's pretty pushy, so it's a fire there, push and pull down, fire, pull down. And then we have a spectral strobe over here, a spectral strobe event, something, I don't know. But yeah. So here it is. So, and I'm gonna turn the lights off to do this. Actually, no. Because you won't really be able to see the strobe lights. So, here we go.